all right. We are at the very beginning of Elafonisi Beach. There is a taverna over there with a very beautiful view toward the sea. So, but if you would go that way, that is Livadia village, you will get to Livadia village. And if you would come this way, then it's gonna get you to Elafonisi Beach. Now we are driving toward Vololimni. Okay, so right after that taverna, if you would get here, there is the road to go to that lake, and here we have like a supermarket. They also have coffee, very good coffee, cappuccino, espresso, latte, whatever you wish they have. And also you can buy some groceries as well. And we have a taverna in this area, and in the surrounding area we have some hotels, Airbnbs that you can book and you can stay. You also can dedicate like 2 or 3 days stay in Elafonisi Beach, and you can go every day to the beach. And also you can go to the Kedrodasos Beach another day, which is another video coming up in the channel, so make sure you subscribe. Yeah, so this was like a little bit hint, like a little bit small information that it may help you if you are coming to Elafonisi Beach, and if you are curious if you can get your coffee there, or if you can get your grocery there, or if you can stay there. Of course you can do all of that. With coffee in my hand. I will leave a link to this exact place in the description, so you can click and it will show you how to come here. This is another level clean water, no waves so far, nothing. It's just, but it possibly can get a little bit busy in the summertime, so it's much better to, if you are planning on hunting this type of treasure corners in Crete Island, so you schedule your vacation early in the season or late season, when there is nobody, you yourself, your mate, and all the privacy. If you have ever thought that there is a place which is called paradise or heaven or whatever in some other dimension, that if you would be a good person then you can get there, that's nice, and that's something, if you believe in, I completely respect. But if you think that this is any less than that paradise, then I'm not agreed with you, my friend. We have the paradise here on planet Earth. We just need the eyes, or maybe the right glasses to see it, or maybe the right person to show it to us. It's amazing. So we have some information for the monastery here. The name of this monastery is Holy Monastery of Chrysos Kalitisa. I will also leave a link to this monastery in the description if you are coming to Elafonisi Beach. If you plan your day a little bit early, then you also can pay a visit to this monastery. It is very beautiful, and also behind the monastery there is a beach. I don't know if the access to the beach is from the monastery or if there is a separate way to get to the beach. But if you would get up there where the church is, from there you can have a very beautiful view toward the beach. On my way to the monastery, I noticed that Elafonisi is not just like a beach in the middle of nowhere where there is no civilization, where there is nobody living or nothing is happening. No, not at all. That's not the case. many houses, people are living here, they have their olive groves, they are working, they have their sheep, goats, everything. I guess this area possibly has population of like about 500 people living here, completely functionally living here and have their businesses, so which is a good thing. Yeah, it's always nice to be surrounded by people. You can see here there's solar water heater. So this is that supermarket coffee shop area again, and now we are taking a ride to go to Elafonisi Beach. But in the meantime, you can see like we have another shop here. And we have a taverna over here, Cosmos Taverna, and in the left side we have another taverna here. If you ask me what are your suggestions about visiting Elafonisi Beach, Elafonisi Beach is already a long distance from Kisamos, from Chania, from Heraklion, from Agios Nikolaos, and it can get tiring and it can get just... And this place is not that small that I would recommend visiting it in one day or for a few hours. I suggest if you could find a place to stay, an Airbnb in the area or in the other villages coming to Elafonisi Beach, and book like 2 nights of stay, and then you could come one day to Elafonisi, maybe eat something in the taverna and then go to the beach, and then the other day going to the Kedrodasos beach, which is another beautiful beach. It's about 2.5 or 3 kilometers from Elafonisi Beach. Spend some time there. I guess you probably would have the best time if you would stay in this area for 2 nights and then visit Elafonisi, because you would be able to see the sunrise, which is very beautiful. You will be able to see the sunset, which is breathtaking, which is the most beautiful sunset that you could ever imagine can happen here. So in case to have that and also some rest and not be tired, I suggest you should stay in this area at least minimum for 2 nights. Now we are getting closer to Elafonisi Beach. In the very beginning we have some suggestions for parking. You can skip these, you can go a little bit closer. And also here in this area we have a supermarket, and we have also taverna and hotels to stay. And now we are about 1.5 kilometers away from Elafonisi Beach. We have these showers over here. They are completely free, and we have this huge parking in this area in case you are willing to eat in this taverna. Diners, Elafonisi, it's breakfast, lunch and dinner. So please feel free to eat in this area. And right in front of this taverna we have a mini market. It is not actually a mini market, it is a very well functioning supermarket. They have almost anything you need: sunglasses, water, snacks, drinks, groceries, fruits, everything they have. And one another thing that they have is the best coffee. Whenever I come to Elafonisi Beach, this is my place to go. I get snacks from here, I get fruits from here, and I never miss my espresso, diplo, metrio from here. This is the best coffee, and if you are coming to Elafonisi Beach, absolutely pay this shop a visit. The owner is a very cool dude, and he is very friendly, and have a chat. And yeah, we will go to Elafonisi, but first I need to get my coffee. If someone is, thank you so much for the coffee. If somebody is coming to Elafonisi, what do you want to say? What do you want to say to the people, those who are coming to Elafonisi? Welcome.
Well, yeah.
I was about to pay, but Grigori is so kind that he gifted me a bottle of water and a double espresso, and this made my day. Thank you so much, Grigori. Here some construction work going on. I guess they are making new buildings here, hotels. And here in the left side you can see we have these hotels and we have taverns. It is not something that I even have to explain to you. Yeah, you can just walk from the beach to one of these places and eat. That easy. And also, if you are willing to stay in one of these rooms, let's call it rooms or hotels, then you can already book in advance, and when you are here you can stay right in front of the beach, and also wake up in the morning, have your view toward the most beautiful beach, Elafonisi. Finally, here we are at Elafonisi Beach. I don't think there is anything extra that I could say about this area, but show it to you with the drone footage. So enjoy some incredible and breathtaking drone shots of Elafonisi Beach.